Welcome back to another episode of The Original Meal. This is your host,
Nancy.
Yeah, I'm Sarah.
Anna.
We're doing a recipe from my Better Homes and Gardens cookbook. There's other words. I don't have my glasses on. It's from 1937. It's one of those ones, I guess you subscribed, or it was a gift or something, and every month they'd send you recipes that you'd stuff in this book, and with no rhyme or reason.
It's not really even a book anymore, is it?
No.
Just
Yeah.
three
The
minutes.
back just fall off.
The back fell off just now. That was definitely on there when I started. All right, so I picked out a recipe called chicken meringue soup.
Oh. Okay.
What?
Sounds good.
Yeah.
It's cold. Okay, yeah. No, it sounds good.
Yes, it's cold. It's winter.
Does it mean egg white?
Okay.
All right, so it's heat 1 quart chicken broth with 1 sliced carrot, 3 onion slices, sorry, and 1 sprig of parsley. Why did we take out the celery? I don't know.
What's a soup without celery?
So you're supposed to put that in a double boiler and boil it up with the chicken broth. You know, you're just making a stock, a flavored stock. So I just bought a box of stock and threw it in there and heated it up. Just save a little time. I've never made a soup like this. What we will be doing is adding 2 tablespoons of quick cooking tapioca. Say that 5 times fast. I couldn't find it in one of our super center, shopping center, mall things, couldn't find it in the grocery store. But it turns out I had one in the cabinet.
Why?
I don't know, because I can't remember the last time I used this.
I don't think I've ever even seen that.
Why would I even have this? I don't. Does this stuff go bad?
Let's see.
Oh, I don't want to see.
Oh my God.
Well, it does.
It does go bad. It does expire.
No, that's not so bad. 1918? That's fine. Behind you are some measuring spoons if you want to do 2 tablespoons of tapioca. It's fine.
I'm scared. It's all about precision, you know?
Place over hot water and cook until tapioca is transparent, stirring occasionally.
It's gone.
And then we will be adding 2 cups of hot milk.
Okay.
Gotta get that meniscus, you know?
I think you've made that joke.
Look, they're not translucent yet. They look like little.
Was there something we can do in the meantime?
Well, it's possible though they may never. Due to their
Crunchy
age.
soup. We're gonna have
Oh
crunchy.
my mom, you put this right. Whoever put this over there put it right on a puddle of water.
I did that.
Okay. Thank you.
Well, all right. So you're supposed to add the hot milk.
Hot milk.
I guess we can just go ahead. Let's see if this is crunchy.
It smells like cat food, by the way. I just feel like that's worth noting.
You've all lost it.
Well, it's terrible.
Why does it taste bad? Isn't it just chicken stock?
It's fine. Let's add the milk.
All of it? Yeah, I guess all
2
of it.
cups. Hot milk. Wow, what a pretty color that
I want
is.
to paint my room this
It's
color.
like chai tea.
If it was something completely different, I would think that would be the right color.
Then, all right, so break. Let's see. Let me figure this out. We need whites in here. Yes, 2 egg whites and 2 egg yolks. So if you break the eggs and do them.
Nasty snot thing. This already is questionable. He must snot.
You must not.
He must not.
You're gonna one-hand that bastard.
Nah. Wow. I wish I was that cool.
Oh my.
No, that's probably enough, right?
No.
I don't know.
Moss.
The yolks go in here. Well,
Cute.
2 beaten egg yolks. Season with salt and pepper. And then add 1/2 teaspoon salt to the egg whites.
I'm not measuring.
Hey, look at that, all the tapioca's floated to the top. I feel like this is something they'd serve in a hospital. Like, you know, it's a sick soup. Well, what did I take that up for?
I don't know.
Whip that up.
Oh no. Me? You.
Anybody.
Look how thoroughly I beat these guys.
Yeah.
I'll hold the bowl.
I'm gonna be here a while.
Is there anything anyone else could be doing while I'm doing this?
No.
Do the instructions say watch Anna beat eggs?
Yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
Right on there.
I'm tired.
Alright, let me give it a shot. Why don't I?
Come on, what if you hold the top and Sarah spins
How
it?
about-
We'll
No!
all be doing one task at the
This
same
is
time.
good. This is well, it's a soft stiff.
It's like a half-mast sort of stuff.
You did a great job. That was amazing.
Good job.
Wow.
Yes. All right, I whisk.
Okay, what do I do?
I'm gonna add that.
How fast?
Slow.
Real slow.
There's like not even that much to.
I know. I thought there'd be more egg yolk than that.
I'm looking at the recipe.
Why is this so?
I don't know why it says 2 beaten egg yolks combined with a 1/3 cup of cream.
There's cream in there?
Oh my god.
I can't stop. I gotta
No, stop.
I have to stop.
Did you read this
Did I
before?
miss it?
Yeah.
Come on, with one.
I said
I totally missed it.
before.
I thought you. I was like, what is she talking about? Pony.
Why is there a chunk? That's supposed to be there?
Remove the chunk.
Did you shake the cream?
No.
Don't worry about it. It'll whisk
You
out.
put it back in! You put it right back in!
Alright, let's put it in there, boys.
All right. Now,
I'm just gonna take the liberty of looking at the next step.
the next step is put it in a bowl and eat it.
Wait.
Well, we have to flavor it with salt and pepper.
There's the chunk.
I'll whisk it right out of there.
I'm gonna, no.
Nothing's happening here. Like, this is just basically milky.
I don't think
Eggs.
I want to eat this one.
Well, you have to eat this one.
There's a lot.
There is, I know.
There's a lot to this one.
Everybody's taking it home. Oh, there's a big chunk.
Oh, don't.
In it goes.
Now what am I supposed to do, Anna?
You're supposed to dump it into the sink.
All right, it's not going to get any, I don't think it's going to get any thicker.
What was that?
What?
Oh, a whole
What?
lump came out.
Well, I
I put one in.
No, I took it out.
Let's eat this.
Okay.
Sam will get his.
Is that enough?
Yes, thank you. Perfect.
A dab will do ya.
Oh, the tapioca floating on top really puts it all together.
Yeah, but what is that all about? Why is that needed?
It's not.
It's not needed.
How it's burning.
Look at how boring that color is. But you know what would be good in here? Butter. For richness, no?
Maybe like some potatoes.
Okay, it kind of. Okay, but here's the thing. It almost smells good. It almost smells like a gravy or like a thick potato.
It's kind of a gravy, but with egg and tapioca for no reason. Wow!
It's like a.
Wow!
That's a stiff peak, all right.
There's not left for sweet baby Sam.
Sorry, I didn't mean to block you. Steal your
It's
thumb.
attractive. Oop. Oop. What do you think?
Yeah, there's kind of just like egg all over the place.
I'm gonna try.
For
Okay,
a bridge luncheon.
Oh,
Should we play bridge?
Okay, well, first of all, let's thank Mrs. Alice Dunham of Erlanger, Kentucky for this.
I like it smells peppery.
shout out. Yeah.
And if you are having a bridge luncheon, you're gonna want the chicken meringue soup with assorted olives and frozen fruit salad.
That would be a gelatin thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Frozen.
And olives, of course, because that's all you ate in the 40s and 50s.
That's all they had.
Yeah, olives and pimentos. All right, so let's go. Let's try this.
Thank you, Alice.
It's so hot. I can't even hold the bowl. I'm a whiny, complainy bitch. Did you get egg in? I told you! Did you get egg white in your bite?
I did. All I taste is the smoked paprika.
Yeah. Maybe Sam can have neutral paprika on his.
It's not bad.
It's too spicy. It
Yep.
tastes like the most mild gravy
It sure is.
like ever concocted.
It's like
milky chicken.
it's like cream of chicken soup. You never had cream of chicken soup? I never served that.
No, because you loved us. Then.
Why
It
is that?
almost feels like weirdly oily.
Where does the tapioca? Like, what is that supposed to do?
I don't know. I also why so much salt in the meringue? I guess just to give it some flavor.
Like,
I would admit the salt next time.
There's really not a lot.
Next time.
Wait, did we put salt in the meringue?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too salty.
Not bad.
Even for me.
I'm gonna smash my egg into my soup.
Well, so thumbs up or thumbs down on this one?
Thumbs.
Just a lot of
Definitely.
Thumb neutral.
Thumb, like
this way. Okay.
like hitchhiking.
Well, we have a lot of it left. If anybody would like some, just write in, comment. I'll send you some. I'm going to freeze the rest in little containers and I'll just ship it off overnight and you can have it. Well, thank you for joining me for another edition of The Original Meal.
Thanks for having us.
You're welcome.
As always.
Yeah,
A pleasure.
I'm glad. Yeah.
Yeah.
A delight.
Don't forget to
Like,
Comment.
subscribe,
turn the bell on.
share.
Oh yeah.
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 And then until next time.
Oh yeah, never mind.
What were we gonna say?
I was gonna say have a happy new year, but I feel like this won't be posted till like March, so hope your new year's going well.
Here's to 2022.
Knock on wood.
Stay safe, healthy, happy.
Bye.
Get boosted.